Today I thought I'm gonna give you a little room tour of my purple van. I love the color. I know you might have not really seen a purple van before, but this is your first time. We're gonna go for the top 5 features of my van. First, I use it so many times, is the pop-up roof. I just gotta press this button here and the roof pops up. This is also my favorite view. If you wake up here, you can just open up everything and have the prettiest view ever. And also during the night, opening up the sides, so there's a very nice airflow inside the van. Also the mosquitoes can't come inside. And also really cool here, there's light, there's also something to charge your phone. But you can put the whole bed up and just stand inside the living room and inside the kitchen. And there's already feature number 2, the kitchen and the living room. So first of all, I'm gonna turn the chairs so we have a little bit more space here. So now we're in my favorite part of the van, in the kitchen. I love to cook something, and I'm living a lot of times on the road in different countries. So I use it a lot of times. We have here a gas to cook something. It goes really easy. And I also have a water tank, so we have some fresh water coming here. I have like a little iPad kind of thing here. 29 liters. I see my battery. I can also switch on my fridge. Here you can see my fridge. Also very cool. Not a lot of food inside right now. Okay, feature number 3. We gotta go to the back of my van. Okay, I already told you that I have some water in my van. And I don't have only water in the front. I also have here a little shower. It's super easy. I'm basically just plugging this here inside. It's always so cool because always when I come back from my kite session, I'm just like rinsing my gear at the seaside, and the gear is full of salt water. It's very important to always rinse it with water. It's the best if you want to take care of your gear. And you can also fill up the water here, so it's also very easy. Okay. Feature number 4, before we go to the number 5, which is my favorite thing, is something which is hidden here. It is here in the back of my van. Let's open it up. My camping chairs. And I really like the fact that they're hidden inside there because they don't really need space in the van. And now, feature number 5. Okay, we need a key for that. I think every camper loves this feature. Ta-da! I think it's not something super special, but it's just cool because you don't really see that my van has this. But I really like it, especially if it's hot and you just want to chill after a session. Okay, these were my favorite 5 features of my van. I mean, there's so much more, like this table over here, which is also really cool. But I think I showed you the coolest things this van has. And I just love the fact that it can be a normal car, but it can also be a camper van. So I hope you enjoyed my little room tour of this purple van. And I'm gonna see you next week.